Hi, I'm Aliza, and today I'm going to be making homemade peanut butter cups. Next, I have to combine a half cup of peanut butter, a half cup of confectioner's sugar, 4.5 teaspoons of butter, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now that I have combined those ingredients, in a separate bowl I need to melt 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and half a cup of peanut butter. Now that I have melted the chocolate and peanut butter, I have to stir them together until they're smooth. Now I need to put together the peanut butter cups. First, I have to put in a teaspoon of chocolate. Now I need to put in a teaspoon of peanut butter. Now I need to put another teaspoon of chocolate on top. After I have finished using all of the ingredients to fill the mini muffin liners, I need to put them into the refrigerator to set. Thanks for watching. Bye!